Good evening and welcome to Shanti Kunj online classes. In our previous video, we were discussing question answers from the chapter Windows, Storms and Cyclones. And we have completed tick the correct option, fill in the blanks and true and false. Today we will start from D, define the following terms. And the first one is atmosphere. Write down definition for atmosphere. The cover of the air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. It extends from the earth's surface to about 1000 km. Second one is wind. Write down the wind is nothing but moving air. The air movement is always from high pressure to low pressure area. Now look at the third definition of stratosphere. You have to write the layer of atmosphere above troposphere up to a height of about 50 km is called stratosphere. There is very little water vapor. Supersonic aircraft fly in this region. Now let's define fourth definition of thunderstorm. A thunderstorm is a storm with sound and lightning and typically also heavy rain and hail. It arises when layers of warm, moist air rise in a large, swift updraft to cooler regions of the atmosphere. Now fifth one is cyclones. About cyclones, write a cyclone is a huge revolving storm caused by very high speed winds blowing around a central area of low pressure zone over the ocean. And the last one to define is tornadoes. Write down a tornado is a violent windstorm circling around the center of a low pressure area. It looks like a twisting funnel of air. Now let's proceed with the option E. Answer the following question. First question is what helps the kite to fly higher and higher? For question number 1, write down the answer. When we are flying a kite, then the wind coming from our back side helps. This is because the wind coming from our back side strikes the kite and exerts pressure on the kite to make it fly higher and higher. Now let's discuss second question. Why is air pressure important? For the second question, open page 118 of your book. Look at this paragraph. Air pressure is important for the following reason. And write down about these 3 points. First is it creates wind. When air moves, it becomes wind. The difference in atmospheric pressure gives rise to the wind system of the earth. Second, it influences weather. Changes in weather are related to change in the atmospheric pressure. Write down till here. And the third point is weather forecasting. Changes in air pressure gives important clues for forecasting weather. This is the answer of question number 2nd. Now let's find out the answer for question number 3rd. What are the effects of air pressure? Answer is atmospheric pressure is an indicator of weather. They help in the generation of storms. They help in the formation of winds. They cause conventional type of rainfall to occur. Now look at question number 4. How are thunderstorms formed? For question 4, write here. A thunderstorm is a storm accompanied with thunder. Formation of a thunderstorm needs, first point, moisture to form clouds and eventually rain. Second point, front like beach or mountains that help in lifting the warm air upward. And third point is rapidly using warm air. Due to the sun's heat, the temperature of a place rises. The rise in temperature warms the air and creates strong wind which rise in the upward direction. Now question number 5 states, what precautions must be taken during a thunderstorm? For question number 5, open page 121 and look here. We must take the following precaution during a thunderstorm if you are outside. इसमें आप लिखेंगे अवॉइड टेकिंग शेल्टर अंडर टॉल ट्रीज और वॉल्स. Second, avoid isolated sheds, run in open area. Thirdly, try to get into a car or a bus or take shelter inside building. Do not touch the metal parts of the car or bus. Fourth point is stay away from water bodies. Okay? Now, if you are inside, then what precaution you must have take? Look here. First point, close the windows and doors tightly. Second point, do not touch electrical equipments or telephones. Third point, keep listening to a battery operated radio for latest information. Fourth, avoid contact with electrical equipments or cords. And fifth is avoid corded telephones. Right till here. Now look at question number 6. Question number 6 states, what is a cyclone? How are cyclones formed? Open page number 121 for question number 6 answer. See here, topic cyclone. A cyclone is a huge revolving storm caused by a very high speed wind blowing around a central area of low pressure zone over the ocean. इसके बाद write formation of cyclone. The sun heats the surface of ocean water. The warm water in turn heats the air above it. This causes a low pressure on a vast area of the ocean. Due to the low pressure, the moist air from the ocean surface begin to rise rapidly. This creates a strong upward wind that rotates spirally. Alright, good. For question number 6, write till here. With this question answer round, we have completed our chapter Winds, Storm and Cyclones. Till then, take care.